Good evening, this is Chaitali from Odisharay. The top news headlines are: two female Maoists killed in joint operation with Chhattisgarh and Odisha police. A joint interstate operation was launched by Odisha and Chhattisgarh police and CRPF personnel in the border areas of Nuapara district of Odisha and Gariaband district of Chhattisgarh. Two Maoist cadres were neutralized in the operation. Large quantity of firearms, ammunition, and IEDs, including one SLR, have been recovered by the security force. The Odisha government revised the age of enrollment for grade 1 to 6+ years. The government's notification stated that children attaining the age of 6+ years as on September 1 for the concerned academic year will be eligible to enroll in grade 1. The Shishu Vatika will be set up in all primary schools for pre-board education for children who have attained the age of 5 and above. The first 15 years of a children's education will be modified phase-wise to the 5+3+3+4 structure covering ages 3 to 18 as outlined in National Education Policy 2020. The minimum temperature is likely to rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in Odisha after the next 2 days. According to the India Meteorological Department, there will be no large change in night temperature for the next 2 days. Several parts of the state will experience moderate to dense fog conditions in the next couple of days. Chief Minister Mohan Majhi attended the 3rd National Mines Ministers Conference at Konark in Puri district. The Chief Minister expressed happiness that the three states, mainly Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, produce and supply more than 2/3 of all base metals demand for the country, and we are the eastern part of the country, which have been rightly described as Purvodaya by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. In order to fulfill the dream of becoming a developed nation by the year 2047, as envisioned by the Prime Minister, these three states will fuel the growth and Odisha will play a major part in this. This platform will provide a deep insight through our depth discussions how to achieve it and most importantly how to make it sustainable. Let's not forget that natural resources, especially minerals, are finite. It cannot last forever. So we have to find a way how to make it sustainable for a long time without harming the environment. For that, we have to find a way to consumption-led mining activities from the present export-led mining economy. A planetary parade is visible this month from 21st to 31st January with 6 planets including Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. These planets will align in a straight line, creating a beautiful celestial parade which will give an extraordinary planetary gathering. Planets like Mars, Venus, Jupiter and Saturn will align in a spectacular display visible and can be seen to naked eyes, while Neptune and Uranus are visible through binoculars and telescopes.